Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install and configure Bellsoft Liberica OpenJDK 11 on MX Linux 19 operating system. So here you can see that I have already downloaded Bellsoft Liberica OpenJDK 11 as a tar.gzip file from Bellsoft website. So this Bellsoft Liberica JDK 11 is a clone of OpenJDK 11 project. So features and functionalities will be same like OpenJDK 11. So now I am going to extract the tar.gzip file to /opt directory. Make sure that you have enough permission to extract the content to /opt directory. So I am cutting the content and I am going to paste under /opt. So yes, so I am going to rename the extracted directory for my convenience now. Yes. So Liberica JDK 11 is a modular JDK. So features and functionality will be same like OpenJDK 11 project. So this JDK is maintained by Bell Softwares. So this is the directory structure of Liberica JDK 11. So now I open the terminal and I am giving permission to the extracted directory. So next step is I'm going to home directory of the current user called Ramanathan. So I'm opening the profile settings and I'm going to create two environment variables, Java underscore home and path variable. Yes. So this is the syntax for Java underscore home environment variable, and I appended the Java underscore home /bin to path variable so that Liberica JDK 11 executables will be available in the terminal of the current user. So I'm open the terminal, I'm typing the command source.profile. So source.profile will load the latest changes in the profile. So now I started executing to Bellsoft Liberica JDK 11 commands. So I am successful. So Bellsoft Liberica JDK 11 is available to the current user called Ramanathan. But our goal is to make sure that Java should be available globally to all users. So I am going to delete the environment variables which I have set specifically for the current user, and I am going to make Bellsoft Liberica JDK 11 available globally to all users. So I am going to /etc directory and I am going to open the file system as a root user. Yes, you can see that file explorer is opened as a root user. I am going to edit the file called environment. So in environment, once again I am setting the user environment variables path and Java underscore home. So make sure that you are following the same syntax which I have typed here. So this is the content of the environment variable. Make sure that you have same. Save the environment file. So make sure that you have deleted the content in profile settings of the user called Ramanathan. So I am going to log off. So I'm going to log in as a user called Java user. For the user Java user, I did not set any environment variable. let us check whether this global environments are working, which means that Liberica JDK 11 should be available globally. So I open the terminal and I am executing the commands. Yes. So Bellsoft Liberica OpenJDK 11 available globally now on MX Linux 19 operating system. To all users who ever log into this mission can execute Liberica JDK 11 commands. So in multiple terminals it's working. So once again I'm going to log off. So again I'm going to log in as a user called Ramanathan. So and I'm going to check once again whether this JDK 11 Liberica JDK 11 available globally. Yes, successful. So Bellsoft Liberica JDK 11 installation on MX Linux 19 is successful.